That right there doesn't look too promising, but you know. Whoa! Woo! I better get under the porch a little more. I think I got that. There's the thunder that follows. That was an epic lightning strike. All the activity seems to be coming from like this, like separated, as you saw, like this separated set of clouds over here are the darkest. I missed that one. Picking up on the rain, and lightning is now a bigger factor. Like, I mean, just watch over here. Look at this dark cloud coming above us. Right? I'm scared. 'Cause it's dark. I can't hear you. It's too dark out here. I'm into the stages of believing it's getting worse, but the lightning show is actually left over there and is now behind us. Ooh. I may have an idea. Oh, dang!
Oh, I see the light star with the power that's going out.
Me too.
So just filmed on my GoPro, and as you see, the power did flicker on and off. So let's see what footage this thing. So I'm recording through my GoPro. As if that storm didn't get any worse. It did. We have no power.